Welcome to Digital Literacy Simplified. Today's video, we're going to take a look at a beginner's guide to AI and prompt engineering. Let's take a look at the advantages and benefits of AI. So what is AI? Artificial intelligence refers to computer systems designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, decision making, and language comprehension. And what is generative AI? Generative AI is a type of AI used to generate new content, so text, code, summaries, ideas, and more, in response to commands or prompts. What is a prompt? A prompt is simply the instructions, questions, or input you give to AI. Think of it as telling a very knowledgeable assistant what you need them to do. A good prompt is essential. Prompts are the most important part of using AI because the quality of the input directly determines the quality of the output. Simplified, a prompt is simply the natural language instructions, questions, and input you give to AI. Here are a few general tips for writing good prompts. So be specific. The more detailed and clear your question, the better the response. So for example, instead of saying, tell me about AI, say, what are the benefits of using AI in marketing? Provide context. If the task involves a particular scenario, include details for better results. So for example, I'm preparing a proposal for a new software product. Can you help me write an executive summary? Use clear instructions. Be clear about what you want. If you need a list, outline, or a specific format, let AI know. General tips continued. So keep it conversational. Talk to AI like a helpful colleague. You can ask follow up questions to refine its answers. Iterate. If the first result isn't perfect, don't give up. Provide more detail for your prompt. So, for example, if you don't like the answer, ask for a revise. Maybe you want the response to be shorter or longer, or want the tone to be more persuasive. And always review. AI can occasionally make mistakes or hallucinate. These hallucinations are made up, so always verify its output before sharing it. So, what is prompt engineering? It's the art of being specific so AI understands what is wanted. So, if you say write a memo, AI doesn't know who it's for or what the tone should be. If you say write a memo to the accounting team explaining the new expense policy, the results will be more detailed. AI tools act as digital assistants to help with business or individual tasks. The quality of what AI produces depends entirely on the instructions you give the AI assistant. So, why use AI? So, AI is designed to help you with a variety of tasks, allowing you to focus on high value work. So, here are a few examples. Instant drafting. You can create emails, reports, or social media posts quickly. Data summarization. Get the main points from a long document. Brainstorming. Generate ideas for marketing or event themes. And language translation. Communicate with global partners using translation. The create formula for great prompts. So here are 6 elements you could use in your prompts to get the best results. So first of all, character or the role. Tell AI who you are. So example, we have new hires. Request, the task. Refine exactly what is wanted. Example, write a job description for a junior sales associate. An example, so give a pattern to follow. Example, use a similar tone to this attached company announcement. The audience, the target. Who is reading this? Example, the audience is new college graduates. The type, the format. Do you want a table, a list, or an email? Example, format this as a bulleted list with a summary at the end. And exclusions or the constraints. Tell A what not to do. Example, do not use technical jargon or make it longer than 300 words. Here are a few tips. Iterate, the back and forth. Your first prompt is rarely the last. If the AI's answer is too long, say make it shorter. If it's too formal, say make it sound more friendly. Provide context. The more the AI app knows about goals, business or personal, i.e., the need to increase productivity, the better it performs. And fact checked. As mentioned, AI can occasionally hallucinate, can make things up. So always verify dates, names, and specific data points. So tips continued. Use chain of thought. Chain of thought is a prompting technique used with AI that encourages step-by-step reasoning to solve complex problems. These types of prompts should include details and how AI should think. So for example, let's think step by step to get a more accurate response to logic, math, or multi-step problems. AI is reshaping many industries. Developing your skills in AI tools and knowing how to create prompts will enhance your productivity in the office or for your home projects. So AI is a powerful tool, but like any other power tool, you need to learn how to use it before you can get the very best results the tool can deliver. So I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like and follow our channel for how-to videos to help you develop the digital literacy skills you need to succeed. Thanks for watching.